Kaylee Smiley at Kaylee Smiley here on Instagram, and I'm here to talk to you guys about our 3 daily products at Keracolor. 3 daily products have a crystal water complex that help neutralize the minerals and chlorine found in your tap water. So I'm going to show you, this is some water that we have from the salon, and this is going to show you how much chlorine is in the water. You can find these at your local pool supply store. So I'm just going to add a few drops, and as soon as you start seeing it turn a different color, you're going to see that that's the chlorine coming out. Water is green, probably like your blondes after you've been swimming. So I'm going to spray a few pumps of the Purify Plus directly into the water. And you can see instantly that the chlorine has been neutralized. Since summer's coming up, you're definitely going to want to use this in your beach bag, in your pool bag. Just simply spray it onto your hair, wet or dry, before you enter the pool, and then it'll neutralize all the chlorine that you build up from the water. Until next time, guys, enjoy this fun tip from Keracolor and Kaylee.